Thank you, universe. You gotta make sure you feel it. Hey. You better be feeling something because life is a feeling. Everything you're looking for is it's a feeling. It's the feeling of it, right? I'm gonna go for a run because I wanna feel good after. It's a feeling. If you wanna go to a party, you wanna go because of a feeling. If you wanna go into a restaurant, you wanna enjoy the food because it's gonna make you feel good, right? It's a feeling. It's not it, it's the feeling of it, right? Now, the feeling is not out there. No, the feeling is in here. You are the feeling. You are the feeling machine. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? When you're unexpected, like the wind, have you ever seen the wind? You're lying. When you're unexpected, like the wind, look at the angels. Come. Yeah, it's like that, it's like that. When you're unexpected, like the wind, nobody sees you come. No, nobody sees you come, baby. But everybody feels you. Never be afraid to fail, because if you fall, the universe will catch you every single time, right? Limits and fears are often just an illusion. It's you tripping. Stop tripping, you're being guided. The same way airplanes are being assisted from the control tower. Believe in yourself, trust the universe, and keep the faith alive, because faith is all it takes. You see, even a captain needs to trust the people in the tower, right? The same way you gotta trust the universe. People that knew me close didn't believe what I was gonna do. And now, they gotta pay for ads before they watch my videos on YouTube. They chose the material possessions over me. That's why they gotta watch me on TV. On TV, bro. It's a feeling, it's a feeling. It's a feeling. When words come from the heart, you feel it. You don't need to. So do me a favor, stop questioning what I'm saying and start feeling what I'm feeling, right? Life is a feeling, baby. It's a frequency, right? Tap in with your heart, right? Because your heart is where it's at. Your heart is the center of your being. Love yourself unconditionally, right? You are the only person in the world that can show yourself self-love. Don't be selfish, right? Don't be selfish. Love ya.